Welcome back, guys, and I had a lovely thing in the post today,
A new pillbox.
and it sort of fits. We're going to do some modifications which I was hoping that we wouldn't have to do because this cost me a lot of money, but it will be how it'll have to be. We have to cut this back end off because it is a bit tight. Sad work doing this because it's a bit high. It does fit in there. It does fit. I can get it in. As you can see, it fits in. Get in, bugger. I've got to do some trimming because it looks pretty good, but it don't sit far enough back. So there's a lot of trimming there to try and get it in, but I think it'll go in quite nice. So there's that. So that's what we're going to be doing in this episode. Naughty, and I haven't filmed what I've been doing. Sorry guys, I lost the camera. I put it down to charge it, and I couldn't find it again, but I found you. So I got the boxes in, pedal boxes in. You can see it there, and that's just wired up for us. So I had to build all that frame. Don't worry, this being under here, because it's all going to be remote mounted out there. So all our fluids and everything. So I'm just waiting on parts for that. And this is the rear subframe for the boot lid and the engine compartment lid. So I'm just in the middle of building this. I've got it all up temporarily tacked up, so we're just going to do a test fit outside now, and I'll meet you outside. In here, inside of what will be the engine bay and the boot, this is our subframe. It's in place ready for that over there to be bolted in to see if it fits and lifts. So let's get that mounted and see if it fits and lifts. Oh, we've just bolted it, Mum. And let's see if it lifts. Oh, exciting times. Oh, look at that one! Oh, look at that. Just got to get a gas strut on it now. And she is pucker. I like that. Yes! Result! Oh, I like that. Woo. Daily! Just got the engine bay to go now. I'm quite happy with that. Quite happy with that. That's great, that is. For them, if you're wondering, them hinges there, they're off Mercedes A-Class bonnet. They're bonnet hinges. And this has already got a metal frame, if you can see inside it. So I've cut through there, welded it on. Welded an extra bar on because we've got the lock mechanism by there to sort out. But she is sweeter than that, man. Woohoo! Daddy!